make your cat in a slouchy position like this. All right? And then what you wanted to do is cut or bicep one of these acromiotrapezius. So all I'm doing, I'm just cutting the acromiotrapezius. And then you'll be able to see cool muscles in here. Also, in order to see it a little bit better, we need to bisect latissimus dorsi as well. Okay, now this is scapula, you guys. Do you see the scapula right here? This is scapula. Now this part right over here, if you touch it a little bit later, you notice is a bone. That's the spine of the scapula. If you have the spine of a scapula right here, on top, that would be what? Supraspinatus. And the bottom would be infraspinatus. All right over here, you could see the teres major. Teres major, infraspinatus, supraspinatus. Teres minor, I don't think it's in your list, but that would be the right. Over here, subscapularis, this one. Does that ring a bell? It's very similar to the human. So subscapularis, supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres major, and over here, you see all of these are called rhomboides. Rhomboides. One of the rhomboides goes towards the head. This one. This is called rhomboides capitis. So rhomboides capitis, rhomboides, subscapularis, supraspinatus, infraspinatus, and teres major. All right, review that. Let me get to